Uzbekistan is a really cool country in Central Asia. The people there are super friendly, and their food is amazing. Uzbek food is bursting with flavor. They use fresh ingredients and yummy spices. Whether you love meat, dumplings, or sweet treats, Uzbek food has something for you. Come explore the tastes of Uzbekistan. If you go to Uzbekistan, you absolutely have to try Plov. This dish is more than just a meal. It's a cultural experience that embodies the heart and soul of Uzbek cuisine. It's their national dish, and it's a big deal. Plov is often the centerpiece at celebrations, weddings, and family gatherings. It's a dish that brings people together. Plov is a rice dish made with tender lamb, carrots, and onions. The ingredients are simple, but the flavors are rich and complex. The lamb is cooked until it's melt-in-your-mouth tender, and the carrots add a subtle sweetness that balances the savory flavors. The rice is fluffy, and the carrots make it a little sweet. Each grain of rice is perfectly cooked, absorbing the flavors of the meat and vegetables. It's a dish that looks as good as it tastes, often served on decorative plates that highlight its vibrant colors. They often cook plov in a giant pot called a kazan over a fire. The kazan is a large, heavy pot that distributes heat evenly, ensuring that every bite of plov is cooked to perfection. This makes it taste a bit smoky. The open fire adds a unique flavor that you can't get from a regular stove. The smoke infuses the rice and meat, giving the dish a depth of flavor that's truly unforgettable. Every family has their own special plov recipe. Some might add raisins or chickpeas, while others might use different spices. These variations make each family's plov unique, a cherished recipe passed down through generations. It's made with lots of love. The process of making plov is often a communal activity, with family members gathering to prepare the ingredients and cook the dish together. This shared experience makes the meal even more special. The spices used in plov are also essential to its flavor. Common spices include cumin, coriander, and sometimes saffron, which adds a beautiful golden color and a subtle aromatic flavor. These spices are carefully measured and added at just the right time to enhance the dish's overall taste. The balance of spices is crucial, as it can make or break the dish. Plov is not just a home-cooked meal, it's also a popular street food. Vendors at markets and festivals serve up heaping plates of plov, allowing everyone to enjoy this delicious dish. The ingredients for plov are often bought fresh from local markets. The quality of the ingredients is paramount, as fresh, high-quality produce and meat make a significant difference in the final dish. Many of the ingredients are locally sourced, with farmers taking great pride in providing the best produce. The rice, carrots, and onions are often harvested just before being sold, ensuring maximum freshness. Plov is more than just food, it's a way to bring people together. Whether it's a family dinner, a community event, or a festive celebration, plov is always at the heart of the gathering. Many people are eager to learn how to make plov, and cooking classes are becoming increasingly popular. These classes teach the traditional methods and secrets to making the perfect plov, ensuring that this beloved dish continues to be enjoyed by future generations. In the end, plov is a dish that represents the rich culinary heritage of Uzbekistan. It's a meal that's made with care, enjoyed with loved ones, and cherished by all who have the pleasure of tasting it. Uzbekistan loves meat. Two favorites are shashlik and samsa. Shashlik is like kebabs. They marinate the meat in spices and vinegar, then grill it over charcoal. It's tangy and smoky. Samsa are little pastries filled with meat and onions. The dough is flaky and buttery. They bake them until they're golden brown. They're a great snack. Food is really important in Uzbekistan. Mealtime is family time. Sharing food is how they show they care. Uzbeks are very generous and love to offer food to guests. Meals usually start with bread and tea, then the main dishes, and always end with something sweet. Uzbek food is all about celebrating life together. Uzbek food is famous for its strong flavors. The cuisine is a delightful blend of influences from various cultures, including Persian, Russian, and Turkish. This rich tapestry of culinary traditions has given rise to a unique and vibrant food culture that is both hearty and flavorful. They use spices like cumin, coriander, and many others to create layers of flavor in their dishes. Cumin, with its warm, earthy aroma, is a staple in many Uzbek recipes. Coriander, on the other hand, adds a fresh, citrusy note that balances the richness of the food. Paprika is another essential spice in Uzbek cuisine. It not only adds a vibrant red color to the dishes, but also imparts a sweet and slightly smoky flavor. This spice is often used in meat dishes, stews, and soups. enhancing their taste and visual appeal. They also use fresh herbs like dill and cilantro. These herbs are not just garnishes but integral components of many recipes. Dill, with its delicate, feathery leaves, brings a subtle anise-like flavor, while cilantro adds a bright, zesty freshness that enlivens the dishes. The mix of spices and herbs makes the food smell incredible. Imagine a bowl of plov, the national dish of Uzbekistan, where the aroma of slow-cooked rice, tender meat, and a medley of spices fills the air. It's a sensory experience that is both comforting and exhilarating. You'll smell these amazing aromas in Uzbek kitchens and markets. They'll make you hungry. Walking through an Uzbek market, you'll be greeted by the sight of vibrant spices and fresh herbs, the air thick with their heady scents. It's a feast for the senses, and the anticipation of tasting these flavors is enough to make anyone's mouth water. Uzbek food markets are awesome. They are a vibrant tapestry of colors, sounds, and smells that captivate your senses the moment you step in. The hustle and bustle of the market is a testament to the rich culture and traditions of Uzbekistan. From the early hours of the morning, vendors set up their stalls, displaying an array of goods that range from fresh produce to intricate handicrafts. The energy is palpable, and it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of it all. They're busy and full of life. The markets are not just places to buy and sell. They are social hubs where people gather to catch up on the latest news, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. The sense of community is strong, and you can feel the warmth and friendliness of the people as you navigate through the crowded aisles. It's a place where the old meets the new, and traditions are kept alive through daily interactions. You can find anything there, from fresh fruits and veggies to spices. The variety is astounding, with stalls overflowing with vibrant fruits and vegetables that look like they've been plucked straight from a garden. The spice vendors are a highlight, with their colorful displays of aromatic spices that fill the air with an intoxicating blend of scents. Each stall offers something unique, and it's a delight to explore and discover new flavors and ingredients. The markets are a party for your senses. The sights, sounds, and smells create a sensory overload that is both exhilarating and overwhelming. The vibrant colors of the stalls, the chatter of the vendors, and the enticing aromas of freshly cooked food all combine to create an unforgettable experience. It's a feast for the eyes, ears, and nose, and it's impossible not to be swept up in the excitement. The colors are bright, and the smells are amazing. The stalls are a riot of color, with fruits and vegetables in every shade imaginable, and the spices add an extra layer of vibrancy. The smells are equally captivating, with the aroma of fresh herbs, spices, and cooked food mingling in the air. It's a sensory experience like no other, and it's easy to lose yourself in the sights and smells of the market. The vendors are friendly and happy to help you. They are always ready with a smile and eager to share their knowledge and stories. Whether you're looking for a specific ingredient or just browsing, the vendors are more than happy to assist you. Their friendliness and warmth make the market experience even more enjoyable. And it's easy to strike up a conversation and learn more about the local culture and traditions. Going to a market is a great way to learn about Uzbek culture. It's a window into the daily lives of the people and a chance to experience their traditions and customs firsthand. The market is a microcosm of Uzbek society, and it's a place where you can see the rich tapestry of culture and history that makes Uzbekistan so unique. Whether you're a foodie, a culture enthusiast, or just looking for a unique experience, the Uzbek food markets are a must-visit. Uzbekistan has awesome street food. You have to try lagman and chukvara. Lagman is a noodle soup with meat and vegetables. The broth is super yummy. Chukvara are little dumplings filled with meat. They eat them in broth or with yogurt. They're perfect for a quick bite. Uzbek food is a delicious adventure. It's a mix of amazing flavors and traditions. From Plov to Samsa, there's something for everyone. If you're planning a trip, think about Uzbekistan. Let the yummy smells and the friendly people welcome you. In Uzbekistan, food is more than just eating. It's a way of life. It connects people to their history and brings them together. Trying Uzbek food is like experiencing their culture. So, come taste the flavors of Uzbekistan. You'll find friendly people, delicious food, and a warm welcome.